So let's log in again into the SchoolsPLP platform. Back on our landing page, and I am going to click on the High School Civics and Government course. Once again, here's the list of students. You can see there's still no activity. I do have access to a grade book where it'll show work that's completed. There's a report cards tab, and we can look at some batched reports. I'm going to go back to this, and here's where I'm going to go over to the right side and click on course setup. So now you can see the red caution, the yellow caution tape comes up, and you can see that here is my roster. You can see that this is the list of my students that are currently enrolled in my class. Here's the staff that is assigned, that is me. There's also a settings button. What is the name of the title? SISID if optional. What's the credit of this course? And then you can see there's assignments and weighting that I can adjust. Now, to be honest, I don't know if my access or my permissions are different from anyone's else, but this is, if there's things that aren't there, then I guess you can assume that that's not the same access level, although I think I would most likely just be in here as a teacher. So here are students. So if I need to add a student, let's see what it says if I edit a student. Oh, I can make him active, suspended, withdrawn, etc. Due dates and start dates can be modified. Let me cancel that. Now, I need to add more students. I'm going to click on the Assign More Students tab. Here you can see is quite a list of students. I can certainly search that way, but if I want to narrow that search, the last name is Smith, S-M-I-T-H, so you can see it's narrowing that down depending upon what I type. So let me say that I am going to add Andrew Zepf. Probably gets his name called last all the time. I'm going to click on Andrew Zepf. I'm going to click Save. I am now taken back to my starting page, and there is Andrew Zepf. So as long as the students are populated and the course is created, it's a pretty simple way to add more students. And you can also see, once again, there are these other categories in regard to students. All right, that was a short one. Thanks.